If you're living with ongoing symptoms like chronic pain and side effects, or health issues that just won't go away, especially when you've already tried all the treatments available to you, this video will explain why hypnotherapy could make a real difference. Many people come to me as a last resort because nothing they've tried has brought them any lasting relief. So it's completely understandable to wonder why hypnotherapy could help. To find this out, it helps to start by looking at how closely the body and mind are connected. Your emotional well-being directly affects your physical health, and your physical symptoms also have a big impact on how you feel emotionally and mentally. So when you're under constant pressure from negative emotions like stress, anxiety, and frustration, our bodies can struggle to heal properly. And that also makes the symptoms feel much worse and harder to cope with. This doesn't mean that your symptoms aren't real. They absolutely are. What it does mean is that your nervous system is stuck in a heightened state of alert, so your symptoms persist even when the original cause has been treated or managed. So where does hypnotherapy fit in? My approach helps to empower your mind and body to work together in harmony via your subconscious mind, which is where all your moods, habits, behavior, and automatic responses live. And this matters because when you're unwell or in pain, the busy and overthinking conscious mind can get in the way and also bombard you with negative messages, which makes it much more difficult to notice any improvement in the way you feel. So with hypnotherapy, we bypass the conscious mind and we work directly with the subconscious. This helps you to move out of that constant alert mode and into a much calmer and more balanced state, which is essential for healing and recovery. It's important to be clear that hypnotherapy doesn't replace medical care, but it works beautifully alongside any diagnosis, advice, and treatment recommended by your doctors. One area where physical health hypnotherapy is particularly helpful is with chronic pain, and I've recorded a short series about chronic pain relief, and in these videos I explain how we're able to change how the brain responds to pain, and I share simple techniques you can try. Hypnotherapy can also be helpful in other interesting ways, which many people may find surprising, such as with replacing or reducing the need for anesthesia. You can get the best results when you genuinely want to make positive changes in your life, and also when you take an active part in the process too, because the more you put into it, the more you get out of it. Hypnotherapy isn't a one-session miracle cure, although you can often start to see meaningful results fairly quickly. And as we work together over a series of sessions, we build good, strong foundations. And during this time, I teach you practical tools, techniques, and coping strategies, including self-hypnosis, that I ask you to practice between sessions, because this reinforces the work that we do together, and it means you're not dependent on me. With these skills, you can continue supporting yourself long after our sessions have finished. I work with many people living and struggling with chronic illnesses and conditions who feel that they've run out of options. And when we work together, they're able to reduce their symptoms, improve sleep, cut down on medication, and feel much more confident in coping day to day. If you have any concerns about whether hypnotherapy would be suitable for you, I always recommend checking with your GP or specialist first. So if you've tried everything you can, hypnotherapy could offer you a great way forward and help you feel better in a very safe, natural, and lasting way.